In this video, we'll show the steps to install the LPU 402 processor. This processor is compatible with the IRONCLAD, Mic Alert, and Wall Alert systems. The LPU 402 requires just 10 wire connections to operate: DC power input, sensor wire input, and relay outputs. We start with the power and relay cable. You can use an 18.6 cable, Cat6, or any other cable with 6 or more conductors. Solar and wireless options are also available. The next step is to wire the sensor cable into the processor enclosure. Strip the cable as demonstrated in the cable installation manual and video. Then connect the stripped wires to the screw terminals for the designated zone. Once both zones, or just one, depending on your setup, are wired into the screw terminals, tie the remaining cable to the fence to secure any loose sections. After the power and sensor wires are fully connected, you're ready to calibrate the sensitivity using the software. There's also an option to adjust sensitivity using the onboard buttons. Once the system is fully connected, you'll be able to view the live signal from the processor and adjust the sensitivity through 500 levels for precise tuning. For more questions, please contact RBtec or visit our website to download the software calibration manual.